Today, we're going to have a look at a video of the lesser spotted dog shit bird. It's pissed off. Basically, one bird comes over and says to the other bird, "Excuse me, do you know where the local chip shop is?" And the other one says, "Pardon? What do you want about? Chip shop? No fucking chip shops around here. Fuck off." And it starts fighting. Just watch as the other one has a really good squabble. He's basically trying to protect his stash of Strongbow and his pork scratchings. Watch and see what you think. As you can see, he was a complete and utter bastard. Fuck off, he said. Fuck off. And they were gone. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Goodbye.